we are going to look at differentiation. We are going to look at different methods of solving problems under differentiation. A simple idea about differentiation says that differentiation is the change in the parameter or variable with respect to the other parameter or variable. Now we are going to look at different methods of differentiation. But for today's class, we are going to look at general method of solving problems under differentiation. Under general method, for instance, we may have y as b equals to x raised to the power of n. The rule of differentiation, you reduce the power by 1, you multiply the power by the standing number of which it has been raised to before. Therefore, we are going to say that if y is equals to x raised to the power of n, we say that changing y with respect to x, which is y all over the x, will be equals to, you multiply n times x, which is n times x, and then you reduce this power, which is n, by 1, n minus 1. Now we are going to have dy all over the x as b equals to n times x, will get nx, this one remains as n minus 1. Let's look at one example and we see how we solve problems under differentiation. We say, for instance, we have example 1 as y b equals to x raised to the power of 4. Using the general method of differentiation where differentiation y with respect to x. Therefore, we are going to say now y all over the x is equals to, we break down the power and we lower the power by 1, which is 4 times x, 4 times x, and then 4 minus 1. Therefore, we now solve 4 times x, we are going to get 4x, and then if we lower this one, we will get 3. That is how the y all over the x. And that is all about general method of differentiation. That is the end of this class. And if there is any concern about the topic, then you will have to drop it in the comment section. See you in our next class.